Just another Tuesday morning. Let's see if we can crack this before I finish my cereal. Almost there. All right, let's get this coated and fueled up. The best ideas happen with cereal. Welcome to Byte Security Kids, where learning is fun. Let's look at some common mistakes people make with cybersecurity. Don't be like these guys.
I think I've got this. Just a quick tap here. And done.
Time for some cartoons. Wait, what? No connection? Both of them? Seriously? Still no connection. Seriously? Why is this happening? Still no connection. Nothing works. Why won't this load?
Still nothing. Come on, work. Seriously? Again? Again? I just wanted to watch my video.
I wish this connection would hurry up. Finally, maybe this will help. I've got to try something. Yes, yes. I got it. It's connecting. We're in. I found it. It's right here. It's working. Yes. I am the ultimate mascot. Wait, what's that pattern? It's the backdoor key. Oh man, I got it. Success. I hope this works.
Data transferring.
Successful. Yes.
I did it. I did it. An unknown number. Hello?
All right, time to focus.
What now? Got it.
Yes. All right, I've got it. That's a check. I told you not to come here! Liam! No! Get out of there! It's a trap! I can't believe it. This is exactly what I needed. Finally, success is within reach. No, I'm just looking at the post. Wait, what? Who is that? No, they're outside. Oh no! They're coming for me! No, I didn't mean that. Listen to me. The signal is fading. What do you mean? Something's wrong. You have to believe me. Are you there? Hey there, explorers. Ready to dive into the unknown? I'm ready for anything. Bring on the rain. Come here. I finished it. Only 6 hours? Unbelievable! Yes!
Yes! We did it! The system is down! I don't believe it! He's taken everything! What do we do now? Celebrate! I got it! It's buried behind these files! Look! The forbidden discovery! I knew it! What is that? What has he found?
All right, the data is ready. Let's do this.
Confident!
All right, let's dive into this. Check out this info. Hey there, let's explore. All right, hey there everyone. Glad to have you back.
Time for a break. He's on his way. Lock is secure.
Transmission secured. Target is stationary. Ready for extraction.
I am relaying the feed. They are mobilizing. Stay alert.
Copy that. We see the movement.
You've got it wrong. I'm not running anymore.
The perimeter has been breached. Locate the target immediately.
Alert status.
Maximum. Do not engage alone.
Target acquired. Coordinates locked. The secondary file is ready. Countdown initiated.
Just a little longer. It's working.
Time is running out. Accessing second file. Status critical. Damn! Dead man switch armed and active.
The switch is active. Midnight approaches.
Dead man switch active. Time remaining, 7 seconds. Need to disarm it now.
5 seconds remaining. It's active. I can't hold it much longer. I hope this works. Please, just hold out a little longer.